In this video, we will see how to calculate the center point or centroid of polygon or shapes in QGIS. First, let's create a temporary layer. Go to Layer, Create Layer, and a new temporary scratch layer. You can make a permanent layer if you want. For the tutorial, we are making a temporary scratch layer now. Geometry type should be polygon. And let's click OK. So we have a polygons temporary scratch layer. Now let's make some polygons. For that, click on Add Polygon. We have drawn a rectangle. Let's make another rectangle. And now we can make some circles also. And let's make some random hexagon. Now let's digitize some custom polygons with segment. For that, click on this and digitize with segment. When you are done, right clicking will finish. Okay, we have made several polygons. Now we want to calculate the center point of each polygon. Let's stop editing of this layer and save. Before calculating the centroid, let's change the symbology first. Open attribute table. We do not have any attribute in this shape. So let's add a field first. And make it ID. Okay. Now let's make the ID equal to the row number. For that we need to calculate the field. Open field calculator and then update existing field ID, and ID should be equal to row number. Then it will be unique ID. Let's apply this and OK. Now we have unique ID for each feature. Now let's turn off and save. Now let's do the symbology. Properties and categorized. Now category should be based on ID and classify. Apply. Okay. Now we have different colors for different shape. Let's calculate the centroid value. Now go to processing and toolbox. In the toolbox you should go to vector geometry, and in vector geometry you will find the centroid. Let's click on this and we will calculate the centroid of our this layer, new scratch layer. So it is automatically selected since we have only one layer in our project. We can select create centroid for each part if we have multi-part feature, but we do not have multi-part feature, so we should not check this. And centroid, we can make a temporary layer for this for the time being. So it's okay. Let's run, close. Now you can see that we have the center point of each polygon. Let's make the symbology so it will be easily visible. This is this one. Okay, so we have calculated our centroids, and let's see the attribute table of this one. Centroid also has the ID similar to our scratch layer. So if we want to calculate the centroid values x and y coordinate, then we can easily do that. For that, we can directly go to field calculator and create a new field, create output field, name x, and let's make it decimal number, and precision level could be 4. Now we need to write the expression here. For this geometry we want to calculate the x value, that means x coordinate. We can go to the geometry and $x. $x means x coordinate, returns the x coordinate of current point feature. Let's double click it and it's added to our expression. You can see that the coordinate value is previewing here, and let's apply this. We have x values, and if we want to calculate another field, the y values, then we need to write the expression is $y and apply. Now we have x and y coordinate of the points. This way you can easily calculate the centroid and its x and y values. Thanks for watching.